Craving something rich, velvety, and a little fancy without turning on the oven? This red velvet and vanilla swirl mug cake is soft, gorgeous, and comes together in just minutes. Perfect for when you want a bakery-style treat without the wait. Let's whip it up. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is the backbone of our cake. It gives structure. Next, 1½ tablespoons of sugar. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder goes in. Don't skip the tiniest pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. Now 2 tablespoons of milk. Any kind works. Dairy for richness, or almond, oat, or soy milk if you're going vegan. 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter makes the crumb soft. And finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all really well until the batter turns smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no dry lumps left in the mix. Keep this bowl aside. Now onto our red velvet. Start with 2 tablespoons of flour. The structure again, just in balance with the vanilla. 1 tablespoon of sugar joins in for sweetness. Next, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder plus a tiny pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. For moisture, 2 tablespoons of milk. But here's a pro tip. Buttermilk gives red velvet its classic tangy bakery flavor. Now 1 tablespoon of oil or butter to keep it tender. A splash of vanilla extract, and of course, 2 drops of red food coloring for that signature look. If you'd rather go natural, beetroot powder works. A smooth batter gives you that perfect soft cake texture after microwaving. Keep this bowl aside. Grease a microwave-safe mug and alternate spoonfuls of vanilla and red velvet batter. Swirl with a toothpick, but not too much, or you'll lose the marble pattern. Microwave for 80 to 90 seconds and watch it rise into a gorgeous swirl. The top should be set but still soft. Classic cream cheese frosting is unbeatable here. Just whip together 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, and few drops of vanilla until smooth. Or try a quick white chocolate glaze. Melt white chocolate chips with a teaspoon of milk and drizzle it over. Gently spread the frosting on cooled mug cake and garnish with chocolate shavings. And there you have it, a gorgeous red velvet and vanilla swirl mug cake, ready in minutes and packed with flavor. Quick, easy, and perfect when you want something a little fancy without the fuss. Don't forget to try it out and let me know which frosting or swirl variation you go for. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats.